Good morning, day 3. Just setting off. It is 7:05. We've had breakfast, we've met the porters. Cheskis, sorry, Jason, who is now an expert hiker. After clocking up a total of 3 days hiking in his whole life. So, an easier day today, I think. This is absolutely insane up here. Everywhere you look. A quick stop at this archaeological site, and we're in touching distance now of Machu Picchu. Just there is Machu Picchu mountain. Behind that is Machu Picchu, and then after that is Huayna Picchu. But Huayna Picchu is smaller than Machu Picchu mountain, so you can't see it. So yeah, we're nearly within touching distance. Not long to go now. What a place to stop and have a rest.
Yeah, but something simple, something like that. Yes, I can say it, or to ask some directions. I can.
Incredible views.
I cannot have a proper
And we've made it to the lunch spot, which is also the camping spot for tonight. We've just got a little hike to some more ruins to do later on, or after lunch. But it's boiling hot. My tent's boiling hot, I'm not going in it. And someone's drying the washing on top of it as well. It's been a good day. Good day. It's 4:45, day 3. We've had lunch. I've had a nap. I've been awake about 3 minutes. And we're off to check out some other site. Huayna. Good morning, day 4, also known as Machu Picchu day, also known as rainy day. Chucking it down with rain. There's been a thunderstorm in the night. I'm drinking coffee in my tent, waiting to go. It's 5:35. We've just started trekking from the checkpoint, and we've got the first bit of daylight that we've had. We can now see the mountains. And run our way to Machu Picchu.
This is it, baby.
Who are you calling baby? Wow. Wow. How cool is that?
Good job, Lee.
And just there is the mountain I'll be climbing later. Huayna Picchu. Wish me luck. what was that? What was that, Sonia?
You'll see it when you replay it.
We've now decided to leave Sungate, or the newly named Cloud Gate, because there's nothing to see. Just cloud after cloud. So apparently we're going down, but at the minute we seem to be going up. Oh, and I forgot to say, do you like my new t-shirt? Nice colour, isn't it? At least it's not really bright, I'll be able to blend in. Start playing the waiting game. It's not looking very promising though. Cloud after cloud after cloud. 5 to 8, and we've been blessed. The clouds are shifting. Oh wow. We've done the obligatory photos from up top, now we're inside. And holy shit, I'm climbing that later.
The shape of mountains, I remember, and why.
Wow,
These
it's
kind of
big.
remind me of like broken teeth.
Well, here we go. This is the start of it. Machu Picchu mountain. As you can see, I'm going down. I've just given my ticket. I assume I've got to go down to get to the base of the mountain. And then we go up, up, up. This is madness. These steps, so narrow and so steep. What a view. Machu Picchu behind me. Oh my god. Oh Jesus, look at this. That's like straight up. And we made it to the top of Machu Picchu on Monday morning after setting off on Friday morning. Crazy views.
Yeah, I think so.
We made it to Aguas Calientes and I'm a broken man. Time for lunch. And we've arrived in the town of Aguas Calientes. Machu Picchu is done. I'm here now for a couple of nights. Gonna have a couple of nights rest, get some much needed sleep before heading back to Cusco. I'm going to be going to Rainbow Mountain before leaving Peru and heading on to my next country. See ya!